Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Missy B London. This is a video of me creating a quick hairstyle using the natural hair clip-ins from To All My Black Girls. The layout of this video is a bit different because this is what I saved from doing a live tutorial on To All My Black Girls Instagram page. So as you can see, the layout is longer. I am talking a lot, but I am doing a voiceover because I wanted to condense the video to show the main part of how I created the hairstyle that you saw at the beginning of this video, and you'll see at the end of the video of the top bun and how I have the hair out at the back. Please don't watch my hair. Look at it, it's a bit rough as well because I was going to wash my hair later on this day. Anyways, it's a quick tutorial, it's a quick video. My first Instagram live doing a hair tutorial as well. I got through it. I was nervous and everything, but I got through it. I was talking a lot because when I'm nervous sometimes I talk a lot as well. Anyway, I am demonstrating the clips on the clip-ins and how you slide it onto your hair. I use 5 clip-ins altogether. I use 3 at the back and I use 2 at that top bun. You can see at the top of my head. I use gummy gel and a hairspray to get my hair looking shiny and wavy like that for the top bun as well, so it will look more similar to my hair, even though this hair does look similar to my hair as well. And if you did see me on road or outside, you'd have think that this hair is my hair, but it's not. It's a clip. It has clip-ins. I have clip-ins in my hair. I don't know why I am stuttering today doing this voiceover. Who knows? I think it's because I'm a little bit nervous. I got a job interview today and it's Sunday. Like, can you believe that? But let me continue with this tutorial. So I'm putting the second one in. The first one that I put in my head, it has 3 clips at the back, well, clips on it. The second one that I put on my head, the clip-ins, has 4 clips on it, and the third one that I put at the back of my head has 5 clip-ins on it, so it can cover the diameter of my head, the largest bit of my head. I've got a big head, you know. My head, I've got a funny shaped head for real, you know. It's very odd. When I put certain hats on my head, it don't look good because my head, I think because I got a long head, I ain't got a clue, you know, for real, but I got a funny shaped head anyway. There's me rambling away, and I was hot as well as usual, hence why I've not been doing much hair tutorial videos, because summertime it wasn't too hot, but because I get hot quickly, plus the extra lighting, plus other things going on as well, and I think I need to really get back into doing hair videos. But you notice the thing, once you had a long break, it takes a while to get back into that creative state of mind to do hair videos. But I have got plans to do some hair videos anyway, so look out for them. I mean, look, it looks like my real hair for real, isn't it? The texture of it, kinky coarse texture, 18 inches, that's what I have in my head. I'll leave the details in the description box about the hair as well, and the website to get the hair as well. Here's my little trick. As you can see, I got a little bit of the hair from the end and I brought it over to the other side, and I did this trick so you can't, it disguises the tracks of the hair. If you're scared of people might see the tracks of the hair, I did that, so it kind of disguises the tracks and it makes it look more natural as well, as you can see. And yes, the video has been sped up a little bit as well, but because it's a simple, it's an easy, I say simple, it's an easy style. I'm guessing when I do more complicated hairstyles, I will slow it down and everything. But yeah, that's how the back is looking so far. By right, I should have brushed it, but I didn't because I was doing live. I didn't have a brush nearby to brush it. That's how I keep the clip-ins when I don't have it in my hair. I have them on a hanger. Yes, I'm basic like that. That's what I do. I have them on a hanger and I hang them somewhere. I don't lay them flat. I have them on a hanger so they can hang. Literally, I know it sounds odd, but yeah. Now I'm putting the clip-in that has 2 clips on the bun on the top of my head. That could be a bang hairstyle as well, you know. Literally, I wouldn't cut the hair, but I'll somehow use bobby pins to scrunch it up and to, you know, so there's less hair covering my face. That could be a future hairstyle again. I know, like I said, I was nervous, so I was talking while doing the hairstyle. It's hard work, you know, multitasking when you're doing a hairstyle and you're answering questions and you're nervous and you're just rambling away. Literally, my gosh. I've not done a live for a long time, to be honest. And when I do lives, it's mostly when I'm at events, when people are just talking at events. I don't really do lives when I'm like properly talking in front of the camera, because I don't know. But yeah, I'm doing that trick again when I get a little bit of the hair and I wrap it around the bun so you can't see that I've used clip-ins in my hair, and it kind of blends with the hair as well. So that's what I do. I know, why am I talking so funny? But yay, there you go. Quick hairstyle. It didn't take too long either. If I wasn't talking so much, it would have been done quicker, but I was talking a lot. So yeah, 10 minutes or so. Yeah. And look how my hair just literally blends in with the clip-ins, literally. But yeah, I'm still here. I'm just waiting for the next clip, 'cause I don't know why it's going to be. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm just talking, saying to people that look, my hair blends in, it looks good, blah blah blah. I don't actually remember what I was saying, because this was recorded like 2 weeks ago. I'm gonna have to do another live this month onto all my black girls Instagram page as well, because that is what I'm supposed to do. But yes. And then later on I thought, oh, let me put the hair to the side like this, which I think I like it more to the side than how it was initially. But anyway, this is the end of the tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. Information about the hair in the description box below. See you in the next video. Goodbye.